How to fix DM glitch in Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So, fixing DM glitches on Instagram can be challenging, but here are some general steps you can try. Update Instagram. Make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed. Outdated versions can sometimes cause glitches. Log out, then log in. Try logging out of your Instagram account and then logging back in. Restart the app. Close the Instagram app and reopen it. This simple step can often resolve minor glitches. Restart your device. Sometimes restarting your phone or tablet can help fix app issues. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as poor connectivity can lead to issues with DMs. Clear app cache. If you're on Android device, go ahead and clear the Instagram app cache, as this might help you solve the problem. Reinstall the app. If the problem persists, you can try uninstalling and then reinstalling Instagram. Make sure to back up your data before doing this. Update your phone's operating system. Keeping your phone's operating system up to date can help with app compatibility. Contact Instagram support. If none of the previous steps work, you might need to reach out to Instagram support for assistance, as you can report the issue through the app or visit Instagram's help center online. So that was it for this video. That's how to fix the glitch in Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.